Hello guys, in this video we're going to take a look at special formatting in the UI table node. If you don't know how to interact with the UI table, you can check out the last video where we installed the node and also made a little example on how to use the UI table in a simple form. So the first step is that we're going to create our dashboard layout. We're going to name our tab dashboard and the group is going to be the table. Then we are going to use a table. This one is going to be assigned to our table. We don't have to give it a name just yet. We're going to add two rows. The first one is going to be name. Title is going to be name with a capital N, align left, and we're going to give it an HTML format. The second one is going to be an URL, title URL, align just to center. We're going to say it should be 75% of the maximum width, and we're going to give it the link format. Alright. Now we're going to style a little bit different. We're going to give the entire group a width of 10, and we're going to make it a little bit bigger. Alright. Now let's deploy that to see what we've got. Alright, we've got a big table with the columns name and URL. So let's start giving it some data, right? We can do that with the inject node. The data has to be formatted as JSON. We can open the editor here. It needs to be an array of JSON objects. You can use the format JSON to make it more readable. Now, first column that we have is the name. So we define the key name, and we're going to give it a name. Let's just say my name. Now, the name is in HTML format, so we can either enter a simple text or we can give it a specified HTML tag. But for now, we are just going to set a normal text. Let's see how that looks. Alright, so we've got our name here. Now what we can do with the HTML tag is we can basically style our text. So let's use a name again. This time we're going to use a B tag. The B tag is for bold text. So it's going to be my name again, but just with a B tag, so it should be bold. Now we can format again. Now we have that. Let's deploy it, inject it to the table. See what we've got. Now you see that my name is bold and the other one is not. I will change it to my bold name to make it more clear. Alright. So the next HTML tag that we're going to use is going to be the I tag. I is for italics. So I'm going to use the I tag, and let's say my italic name. Alright, format again. Inject it, and there you can see we've got a normal formatted name, bold name, and an italic name. But now, what about things like color, for example? Just go back in here and copy the bold one. Paste it here. Now we're gonna say style is equal to color red. As you can see, our string has an issue with the quotation marks. To fix that, we need to use another quotation mark inside of our string. Now let's try that. Now we have my bold name in red. Let's change the name to my red name to make it more clear. By using the style property, you can basically do your custom design using CSS. Let's use a text transform set to uppercase to always write our text in uppercase form. You can use all your CSS skills in here to make it look how you want it to. That should be correct. Let's try it out. Now we're coming to the URL part. For that to work, you need to set the format to link. Let's just edit one of the existing data points. Now define the URL key. Here you can paste your URL. Now you can see our URL in here. For those of you who didn't know, I have a Github repository containing all the code examples used in the tutorials. You can just download them and try them out in your own projects. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.